as we have already understood how our data have been to this bucket, how our data have been to this bucket as per the hash code calculation. For this hash code index was 2, for this index was 4. So our data have been to the respective buckets, and each bucket, as I have told you, is a linked list, and these buckets are not linking to any of the next bucket. That's why this is null, this is null. Okay, now what will happen when we are having the same index for two different entries? So in that case, suppose for this one, just imagine the hash code is same, the index is same for both of them. So index obviously if hash code is same, so index will be same only. So the data is coming as here Ankur 1. For this one I have elaborated this one, actually elaborated, and 1, and the hash code is something 111001, and this was null. Early in the first entry it is null, and similarly this will have xyg 2 111001, and this will be null as well. Now this cannot be null because there is another linked list present, there is another node present, it is redirecting to this one. So this cannot be null, so it will have a value, which it will have an address of the second node. So this is this is something which will work. How internally it will work, it will hold the address of the second node. So this is the internal implementation, internal working of a hash map. Okay, I just wanted to tell you one more question. This is a very tricky and an interview question. Something it goes like what will happen in this scenario? Suppose you are having something A, B, C, and this is the hash code 11100011, and the index is also okay, not in this way. This will be a little bit complicated to make you understand. What will happen if we will do map.put and null, and it will go, the value is something 8. I have already taken 9. What will happen when I am just putting the null one? So automatically whenever the key is null, so automatically it will go to the 0th index, so directly it will come to here. This is a tricky question. So whenever we are passing null to a map, so it will go to the 0th bucket. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll be talking about the coding part as well. I'll be debugging every single thing whatever I have told you right here, but this was just a demonstration how does it work, and I cannot show everything over the laptop, so that's why I have used a copy and pen. It's a bit clumsy, but thanks for watching.